Here we got 1959 Ford Ranchero. Actually, Ford was the first one to come out with these. Chevy copied them later with the El Camino. And they had a 59 El Camino with the cat eyes, but the Fords were more popular, believe it or not. And then it seemed a bit later on, Chevy surpassed them. But these were the ones, Ford was the one that came out with this concept, like the truck car. So you got a nice Holly on here. You got the fuel pressure gauge right there. The nice aluminum radiator with a custom aluminum radiator shroud. A nice, it's a flex fan, which is smart because, you know, I'm not a big fan of these electric fans. I know they're pretty reliable, but I don't know, when you put them in aftermarket, they're not that, they're more reliable than the factory. Better off just with a flex fan, a good aluminum radiator, and a nice shroud like that. I'm sure this thing stays nice and cool. Looks like an automatic in there with a performance shifter, I believe. And it is an automatic. The performance shifter, so it's probably a 6C6 transmission from Ford, I would assume. I don't know. Can't tell. On top here. And you can uncork the headers. You saw that right there. You run open pipes, you uncork those. We already got them going through the mufflers in the back. So this thing is a performance ride. You know, vastly updated mechanically from the factory. Nice having that cover on there. Not very practical, I guess. Well, you know, this car you wouldn't be dumping stuff in like mine. I always use mine to haul stuff with. You notice too, they got the handle. It's got the handle on both sides. It's pretty smart. You know, to me, there's a lot of better concepts they had back then. Today they're just making things cheaper. Everything is an upgrade with something electronic. Backup lights being up there nice and high. It's got the you know, the rocket ship look in the back. So very cool, you know. And a lot of chrome. More, you know, still not a lot of chrome for the era, but a lot more chrome than we have today. So, got a sheriff's hat here. 59. Yeah, and of course the hood tilts up the way it should. Makes it a whole lot easier to work on the car. You know, it's amazing that they didn't do this more often because you don't have to worry about the hood latch coming undone or something like that. I mean, what would be the major disadvantage of this hood being opening like this? I don't know. It's amazing they didn't do this more often. Yeah. Get the best look I can from that side there. It's got the BF Goodrich, you know, tires on it with the wider in the back, narrower in the front, like as in the style of the era. So, and it's a straight body in black. You can see there's no ripples in there at all. Very good job.